This 5-minute solution will show you how to turn on and off sensitive content on Twitter. So follow these simple steps to do it. Open your Twitter and tap on your profile. Tap on Settings and Privacy. Tap on Settings and Privacy again. Tap on Privacy and Safety. And you will get Content UC option here. So tap on it. And here you will get this option, display media that may contain sensitive content. So if you check this box, then you will get sensitive content on your Twitter feed. And to hide sensitive content or to disable sensitive content, you have to deselect this option. So that's how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.